Alright, this is my bike check of a custom bike. Used to be a Stolen Center about a year, a year back. This is my year's worth of work, I guess you could call it, but I don't put that much money into it. I'll start up here. I got ODI long neck grips. People say that they're really good, but I personally myself, I wouldn't recommend them. I don't think they're that good of grip. I guess they last really long too, but I just don't like them. Oh, I see lumberjack bars in teal. They're really nice, bigger than I had because I had like a really small bar before. I had like a 7.75 or 8. I have Cyclone V3 forks. Yeah, just in raw. I hate that color because it looks like it rusts a lot, but I've never gotten a drop of water on it before. An Animal jump off stem, not a remix, just the normal one. Stock headset. Stolen Revolver front wheel and like this shiny teal. And then like just stock everything, stock wheels and stuff. But for the tires, Shadow Overtaker tires. Those are really nice grip, and I'm probably gonna put those on, but I probably won't. I don't know. I got a, let's see, where's Colt, peg, front peg, stock, Stolen Center, 2010 version, frame, a Total BMX seat, pivotal. It's like a British flag, pretty sweet. Where is it? Alright, there we go. Stolen Thermalite seat post. I like it all the way down. I don't really give a crap. But it's like really short, so I can't really help it. But whatever. So, stock cranks. Stolen cranks. Clear Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Log grip for plastic pedals. They lasted long. Spanish BB kit. Eastern for the bottom. A KMC chain, I don't really know, but I got that chain right there, a half track mechanic chain, and an Eastern 4Cs chain wheel in white. It's just a random peg, I don't even know what it is on the back. An Easy Street free coaster, laced to a Stolen Revolver back rim, but I used to have brakes on here, like I have red brake cable and everything, but I had like really nice brakes, but I took them off 3 months ago. Makes my back rim look like shit right now, so I'm gonna buy a new one. And yeah, that's it. That's my bike. Weighs in about like, I think it was 20.9 or around there somewhere, but I could really give a shit less. I like durability more. Yeah, thanks. Like, comment, rate, subscribe.